Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities for Kids. We're college students who put together fun activities. Our activities are centered around reading, writing, and math. In today's activity, we will be going over the 3 points of views and how to identify them in sentences and stories. To start today's lesson, we are going to go over some key vocabulary terms that will be used in the lesson. These include first person, second person, and third person, which are the 3 point of views that you can use to identify in a sentence and a story. Let's begin. The first word we'll be going over today is first person. First person point of view is when the main character is telling the story. It uses keywords such as I, we, and me. The second word we'll be going over today is second person. The second person point of view is when the author is telling the story directly to the reader, using keywords such as you and your. The third word that we'll be going over and the last point of view is third person. Third person point of view is when the author is telling the story but is not a part of it. He uses keywords such as he, she, they, and them. Now that we have gone over key vocabulary terms, let's begin with some practice sentences that we will break down to find which point of view is being used in the sentence. Let's begin with the first sentence. I went to school today and all my teachers were excited to see me. Let's start by breaking it down and underlining the important words that help to identify which point of view it is. You can see that we have words such as I, my, and me. I, my, and me would make this first person. We are going to follow the same pattern in the rest of the sentences, breaking it down and identifying. Let's try another. You need to remember to pick up your field trip slip from the office. Let's underline the important words. You can see that we have you and your, meaning that this sentence would have to be told in second person. Let's keep going. My mom is taking me on a trip to the zoo. I'm so excited. Let's break it down so you can see that we have the words my, me, and I, meaning that this sentence, including my, me, and I, would have to be in first person. We are going to try 2 more sentences and then I'll have you try 2 on your own. Let's start by reading. Jenny and Brett are working on a group project together. They really want an A+. Let's break it down to start. So, let's start by noticing that we have 2 names in this sentence. We have Jenny and Brett. Then you will notice that we have the word they, showing that this sentence, including 2 names and the word they, has to be in third person. Last one together. Jill went to a pumpkin patch. She wanted to find the best pumpkin, but her mom picked a squished one. Let's start by breaking it down. First, we have the name Jill. Then we have she and her. With the words Jill, she, and her, we can identify that this sentence is in third person. Now let's try some on your own. Now you're going to do this one on your own, but let's read it together. My best friends are throwing me a birthday party. We want it to be pirate themed. Remember to start by breaking it down and looking for important words. Which words do you see in this sentence that help you to identify the point of view? That's right, we have the words my, me, and we. So, which point of view would that make this sentence? it would put this sentence in first point of view. Good job! Last one, you got this. Let's start by reading it together. Your cat escaped last night. You should go look for her. Remember to start by breaking it down and looking for important words. Which words do you see that will help you identify which point of view that this sentence is being told in? That's right, we have the words your and you. So if you have the words your and you, what point of view does that mean that this sentence is being told in? That's right, this sentence is being told from a second person point of view. You did such an amazing job today learning the 3 points of view, first person, second person, and third person, and being able to identify them in sentences. I hope that you now feel comfortable to bring over what you've learned to the worksheet. If you need any more help, feel free to watch this video as many times as you'd like. Thank you for learning with us today. Please comment below if you have any questions and like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more videos.